Welcome to Hammer Auto, your go-to channel for the latest automotive news, in-depth reviews, and exclusive insights into the newest vehicles on the market. If you love staying ahead of the curve in the automotive world, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. The next generation of golf carts has officially been unveiled, and it's bringing a whole new level of technology, comfort, and efficiency to the game. Whether you're an avid golfer, a resort manager, or someone looking for an eco-friendly personal transport solution, this new series has something for everyone. Right from the first look, the new golf cart series showcases a sleek and modern design. The upgraded chassis is built for durability while maintaining a lightweight structure for improved efficiency. LED headlights, stylish alloy wheels, and a more aerodynamic shape give it a futuristic appeal while improving performance. The overall build quality ensures better stability and handling, making it a joy to drive on any course or community road. Inside the cabin, the advancements are just as impressive. The redesigned dashboard now features a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time information about speed, battery levels, and driving modes. The new infotainment system includes Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and even voice command options, making it easier than ever to enjoy a comfortable and connected ride. Premium seating materials offer increased comfort, and improved suspension ensures a smoother driving experience, whether on the golf course or around the neighborhood. Under the hood, this next-generation golf cart offers multiple power options. The electric variant has been enhanced with a longer battery life and faster charging capabilities, making it more practical for extended use. The upgraded lithium-ion battery pack now delivers an extended range on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent recharges. For those looking for more power, a high-performance motor option is available, providing quicker acceleration and improved efficiency. Regenerative braking technology further optimizes energy use, ensuring longer battery life and reduced operating costs. Safety is another major focus of this new golf cart series. The inclusion of advanced braking systems, stability control, and even optional collision detection technology brings a level of security rarely seen in traditional golf carts. Enhanced LED lighting improves visibility during evening rides, while automatic braking assists in preventing accidents. Some models even come with a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier than ever. Customization has also taken a step forward with this new release. Buyers can choose from a range of color options, wheel designs, and additional accessories to personalize their golf cart. Whether it's adding a weatherproof enclosure, upgrading to luxury seating, or incorporating a built-in cooler for refreshments, there are plenty of ways to tailor the cart to individual needs. For those who love adventure beyond the golf course, an all-terrain version is available. With larger wheels, a lifted suspension, and an upgraded drivetrain, this model is perfect for exploring rougher terrains and off-road trails. It brings the same level of efficiency and sustainability while expanding its usability beyond traditional golfing applications. With all these innovations, the next-generation golf cart is set to redefine personal electric transport. Whether for leisure, work, or everyday use, this new lineup offers cutting-edge technology, better efficiency, and a more enjoyable ride experience. And we'll see you in the next video.